Here we go.
Hey, that was a nice shot you took up there when you got down on the ground.
Oh yeah?
The dude was walking and steam was coming up.
Yeah, boy. You already know this is Tango Jack back with another street photography video for you guys. This time, it's in the snow. So this is actually my first POV video in the snow. The funny part about this is I actually posted up 2 days before it snowed how I really freaking hope it snowed. And bam, we had snow. I'm actually about to go post up right now how I really freaking hope that I win $2 billion. Just a quick rundown of this video. I went with the 70 to 200 millimeter f4, mainly because it's weather resistant and because of the compression on the lens. It just gives it the illusion of more snow on that longer end. And if you're watching this video and you see that the water droplets on the lens are moving around, but the horizon is staying the same, that is the max lens mod. Yeah, if you're going to be doing street photography videos, I definitely recommend getting the max lens mod. Yeah, it only lets you record up to 2.7K, but honestly, it's not like anybody's watching this and they're gonna be like, hey, this isn't 4K, you know, it was only 2.7. Like, you can't tell the difference, bro. You really can't, from 2.7 to 4K. But the main reason I like the max lens mod is really just because it keeps everything level. I don't have to go in there and do anything like that. Like, I don't have to go in there and reframe or crop or anything. It just automatically puts it to where it has to be. Yeah, this is definitely the 4:3 aspect ratio. Why? I just don't understand. I just don't want to crop it. I don't understand why cut off anything from the top or the bottom. Like, you guys are seeing you got the full field of view. Another thing is, yeah, you notice I don't have the Blue Yeti mic. I mean, I still have it. It's right there. You just can't see it. I went with the Rode mic just because portability. The ease of use, just being able to take it anywhere. Like, I can literally put that mic on my camera and have a shotgun mic. I can put it down here for podcasts. I can do anything with it. And the Blue Yeti mic, it just got in the way. Like, it was always blocking my light, bro. It's blocking the light. Hope you guys enjoy this snowy POV street photography session from Lancaster, PA. Thanks for watching, and if you guys want to check out some of these photos, you can follow me on my Instagram at tangu.jack, and of course my aerial Instagram, tangu.jack.air. I appreciate everybody's support, the likes, the comments. Peace. Look at this guy again. That. Who's that? Is there a guy with a camera? Thanks. Here we go. I hope that was in focus. So every time I get up to move, somebody, oh. Damn it, bro. that's cool. I like your umbrella, this looks cool.
That was a nice shot you took up there when you got down on the ground.
Oh yeah?
The dude was walking and steam was coming up.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, man. You're a professional?
I feel like it, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it started as a hobby, but then I gotta find out exactly which one. I just wanted to go out and get the snow. You talking about that one?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't really snowing hard and it wasn't sticking, so
yeah.
I had to use the long lens to try to compress a lot of that snow in there to make it look more snowy than what it really is.
Right.
And the steam coming up, I saw that at the last second. Yeah, I appreciate it. I actually got I'm a drone photographer too, and I got some of my photos are in the visiting center.
Oh, yeah?
I took like drone shots in Lancaster and they put them on postcards and they're in the visiting center.
Hey man, do your thing, man.
All right.
Hey.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Hey. You got that quarter or anything.
Do I got anything? Let me hear it.
Man.
Let me see. I don't really be having cash though, you know, because it's like everything's digital now.
Yeah, I know. I'm in that old world.
Here's a couple dollars. Here's coffee or some tea or something. Yep, no problem. Yep. Actually, can I take your picture right there? You want to lean up against that pillar right there? Like kind of like one of these? Yep, just like that. Look here. Yeah, I'm trying to not get them people in the background. Do that same thing right here, actually. The same thing. Right here. Come over here on this side so I get that. And face that way, like this. Up on the, yep. Yep, look here. All right, yep. Show you what I got here. Nice. And that one. Thank you. Well, that's all she wrote. I didn't even plan on this. Definitely didn't plan on this street session. I just woke up and I saw somebody post about it snowing. I looked out, I didn't see no snow, nothing on the ground. It was cloudy. I looked at the weather and it said like sprinkles and then it was gonna turn into a shower. So I'm like, oh, this ain't nothing. And then I feel like I went and did something. I went and got in the shower or something and I came out and it was just falling. Like this snow was just coming down. It was laying down too. I didn't even eat breakfast this morning. I had like a cup of coffee. That was it. I just threw my clothes on, got my camera. I got the EOS R6 and I only brought one lens. Well, I mean, I brought all my lenses, but I only used one lens, and that was the 70-200 f4. And I used that just because it's weather resistant, and because when you get that to the longer part of that lens, like mainly the 200 millimeter, you really compress a lot of stuff. So if it's not snowing a lot, you zoom out to that 200 millimeter and it just looks like there's more snow. So I got a few shots, man. Hopefully I can make a YouTube video out of this, maybe like 10 minutes or something. I haven't been doing a lot of videos, I've just been doing a lot of shorts, but yeah, I'm interested to see what I got. Peace.